Thank you for joining me for yet another unboxing video, and today this one's going to be a little risque because even the title of the game tells you where we're headed with this one. So this is another budget store find, and this one's called Sex Around the House. Yes, oh honey, oh baby, right here, don't stop. Turn your home into the ultimate sexual playground. Sex Around the House. An irresistible game for you and your lover. With Sex Around the House, you'll discover new and inventive ways to heat up the passion under your roof. No fireplace required. Add fun and excitement by incorporating the where and how into your sexual repertoire. You'll never look at a room the same way. Just follow the footsteps into each and every room to reveal the sexual surprise that awaits. There's your board. Board is not the actual size. That's what she said. Anyway, turn your home into the ultimate sexual playground. A product by Ball and Chain. So let's crack this bad boy open and see what's on the inside. Getting started. Place the two game pieces on the front door to the house. Separate the room cards, shuffle them, and place them face down to avoid seeing the activities. Players roll to determine who will go first. Players must roll a 1 to enter the house. If you do not roll a 1, you cannot enter and the next player gets to roll. Once inside, players move their game pieces through the house. You must always move in one direction unless you do not land directly on the footsteps in the room where the path terminates. Every room except for the kitchen. Only footsteps circles can change the direction of movement. For example, if you have only 4 spaces between you and a room's footsteps, you roll 6, you would not get to draw a card. Instead, you would move the game piece 4 spaces ahead to the footstep circle and then 2 spaces back. In order to draw a card, you must land directly on the footsteps. Once you landed on the footsteps to a room, the player chooses a card from that room's card pile. Read the card aloud to your partner and then lead them away into the real corresponding room in your house to fulfill the sexual activity. Experience as many rooms in your house as possible. And there's your game board. Start at the front door. Okay. Begin here at the foyer. You go into the den, master bedroom, master bath, the dining room, the kitchen, the living room, the garage, laundry room, out by the pool or the patio or the backyard. Whatever you may have in your house. And so there's your actual game board right there. So your cards, master bathroom, master bedroom, get the master bath, bedroom, pool, living room, master bedroom, laundry room, pool, got some more cards here for the master bedroom, the den, the foyer, again the pool or backyard, whichever you might have, the den, the garage, again, the garage. Here are two people, yellow and green. Some more cards for the dining room. Den. There's the bath. The kitchen. Master bath. Foyer. Dining room. The den. Laundry room. Kitchen. Master bath. Master bedroom. And the master bath. There are your cards for the game. So, again, all the fronts are the same, and on the back, they have a couple of things for you. Have sex in the pool. Have him sit on a ladder side or diving board with her in the pool. Perform oral on him. Perform oral on her underwater. Perform oral on him underwater. Bend her over a patio chair and have sex. So you get the general gist of idea where we're headed with these cards. Same thing for the master bedroom. Make love while lying on the bedroom floor. Blindfold your partner and trace your partner's body using only your tongue. You get the general gist. And there's cards for every room of the house. And of course, there's also a die in there. A 6-sided die. And the rules. And there you have it. Another unboxing video. This time, sex around the house. Yes, it's not a PG one. This is for ages 18 and above. Thank you for joining us for this unboxing. Be safe, be well. If you have any comments, leave them below. If you enjoyed the video, throw us a like. Again, thank you for watching. Be safe, be well, and we'll catch you on the next unboxing video.